Bigger. Stronger. That's Komatsu PC500LC. Redesigned for higher productivity with a bigger bucket. Stronger engine and superior digging performance. Increase productivity by 20 trucks a day, 520 trucks a month, or move a mountain in a year. Fuel efficiency is better, even with the size upgrade. Increased fuel savings by 45 liters a day, 1,125 a month, and in a year, save enough for a new machine. The secret is advanced fuel-saving technology, lowering operation cost with increased productivity. Built to last a lifetime. With overall reinforced structure. Now, with bigger work equipment, heavy-duty undercarriage, and strong machine frame. That's Komatsu PC500LC. Brings you the best return. Komatsu.